Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a wise old tortoise named Tully. Despite his slow pace, Tully was known throughout the forest for his patience and determination.
Alrighty, so if you want to create videos like that, well, you've definitely come to the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made that video, and I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create yours too, using AI tools. Step number 3 is where the magic happens, so stick around for that. Just so that you know, I have spent hours and hours researching these tools. I could really use a little quick thumbs up to stay in high spirits. Also, let me know what your favorite animation is. Mine is Shrek. What's yours? Anyway, time to show you how you can create your own animated movie. Now, the first step is to create your story. I generated the script for the video that you watched earlier with ChatGPT, and I am going to show you exactly how to do it. I'll be using ChatGPT 4. It costs $20 for individuals and $25 for teams, but you don't really need it to generate a story because, well, GPT 3.5 works just fine. So to access it, visit chat.openai.com, then type in the prompt for a story and click on this black arrow to enter. In this case, I want a story about the tortoise. And as you can see, ChatGPT wrote a pretty interesting one in just a few seconds. Although it took a little bit longer than usual because of my network connectivity, something else I'll have to deal with. Anyway, we still need some pictures for our animation. So let's go and ask ChatGPT to write out some prompts for us. We'll paste these prompts in our image generator to generate images that we'll use in our animation. But obviously, these prompts from ChatGPT cannot give us high-quality images like this, and this. So I'm going to be sharing some top secret tricks on how you can modify the prompt. Make sure you watch every second of this video so you do not miss it. Now the next step is to generate movie voiceover. Now you may skip this step if you'll be narrating the story with your voice or hiring a voice artist to do it for you. But if you want to save some time, we'll create a voiceover for our script using AI. Now for simplicity, I'll be using ElevenLabs because it is so easy to use. So follow the next steps very carefully. First, click on the link in the description box. And as you can see, we have the text-to-speech and speech-to-speech options here. You can clone your voice with the speech-to-speech option. ElevenLabs AI is able to accurately mimic your voice, so you won't have to manually create voiceovers next time. Now in this video, we'll be using the text-to-speech option. So all you need to do is copy your story from ChatGPT. And you can do that by highlighting the entire thing or clicking this little note-like icon. Paste the text directly into ElevenLabs and watch closely because I'm about to make some quick adjustments. The default AI voice is Natasha, but I'm changing that to my Daniel because, well, it sounds really nice. And as you can see here, ElevenLabs thinks I'll get a better audio if I use version 1. I wouldn't doubt it if I were you, so let's just click on the black generate button to create our audio. ElevenLabs offers real-time generation, so let's listen to our audio as it generates.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a wise old tortoise named Tully.
Right, now that our generation is done, so we just need to download it. Simply click on this upside down arrow to download your audio, and we're done with this step. But before we move on to the next step, let's just talk about pricing. ElevenLabs has 6 pricing plans in total, but we'll only discuss 3 of them. You can get 30,000 characters and 10 AI voices at $1 for your first month and $5 if you renew your subscription. If you want 100,000 characters and 30 AI voices, you can buy the Creator plan for $11 on your first purchase and $22 thereafter. But if you want to use ElevenLabs without paying anything, you can open a free account and get access to up to 10,000 characters per month, but you'll only be able to use 3 AI voices, and they may not be the voices that you want. You can read more about the pricing plan on ElevenLabs' website. I've placed a very special link in the description box below for you to get started. Alright, so moving on to step number 3. We'll be generating images for our animation, and this is where I'll share the top secret tips for generating high quality images. We'll be using Playground AI to generate our image without paying a dime. And you can find the link in the description box below to test it out for yourself. Alternatively, you can use Blue Willow or even Midjourney, but they're only available on Discord and do not have any free plans or free trials. With that settled, we need to first copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Playground. But just before you press enter, write out what you can see on the screen to automatically increase the quality of the image. We won't be putting it in the description box, and we definitely won't be showing it again, so make sure that you keep it somewhere safe. After that, you may choose to expand your prompts with AI, add a preset, or even add a filter. I will not be doing any of those. Instead, I'll just increase the number of generations to 4 images and click Generate. Now, if you're on a free plan like me, it'll take 15 to 30 seconds for your image to be generated. But once it's done, you're going to be amazed by the results. Now, for faster generation, you can buy the Pro plan at $15 per month or the Turbo plan at $45 per month. Now, to download your images, click on the plus icon on each of them. Scroll down a bit and click Download. You may notice that your screen will shake a little when you do this. It's a glitch from Playground, and I believe they are working on a solution. Now just repeat the process for all the prompts, and let's move on to the next step. And now, to step number 4. In this step, we'll generate our animation. And I know this is what you have been waiting for, so just stick with me here. First, visit runwayml.com and create a free account if you don't have one already. You can also buy the standard, pro, and unlimited plans at $12, $28, and $76 per month respectively for more credits, a higher resolution, and more storage space. You may choose the plan based on your needs, but for this, I'll be using a free plan. Now here you can see that we have the option to generate our video with text or images. If you want to use text, you just need to copy the prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into your editor, and wait for your video to be generated. But for our animation, I'll be using images since we already generated them, and they would make a better video, just like this one. Now, if you don't like Runway, you can use LeiaPix Converter to generate the animation. It's faster than Runway ML, but it only adds a specific type of motion, so it may not be the exact thing that you want. I've used it to generate some of the animations, and as you can see, I need to buy credits to remove watermarks. Now, I will link this tool in the description, so be sure to go and check it out. Also, please give me a virtual hug by liking this video. Now, this is our last and final step, and we'll be compiling all the animated clips to create our final animation video. You can use any video editor of your choice, but I'll be using Capcut because it's free, it's easy to use, and it's available on any device, be it a smartphone, desktop, or tablet. So you can edit on the go or in your workspace. Up to you. We just need to upload all our animations, and as you can see, I've arranged them in the exact order that they will be used so that I won't make an avoidable mistake. I advise you to do the same. After that, upload the voiceover we generated with ElevenLabs, but instead of clicking on it, drag it to the bottom of the videos, just like I'm doing, and wait for it to load. After that, we'll add some effects and text to our video. With that, it's done. Now let's go and see the final result.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a wise old tortoise named Tully. Despite his slow pace, Tully was known throughout the forest for his patience and determination. One sunny day, a hare, boastful and swift, challenged Tully to a race. The animals of the forest gathered, certain the hare would win. The race began, and the hare darted ahead, confident of his victory. Halfway through, he looked back and saw Tully far behind. Overconfident, the hare decided to rest under a tree, thinking he had plenty of time.
Well, it would be nice to play the rest of the video, but, well, I'm sure you already know how the story ended. The hare sleeps off, the tortoise wins the race, and, well, the hare learns the valuable lesson. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how easy it is to create animated video from simple text prompts. Please share this video with your friends and make sure to create some animations yourself to hone your skills. You may earn some extra cash too by creating animated videos. And if you want to try something that's even more easy, go and watch this video here about AI tools that can turn your text into videos. We thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.